face is a bit greasy, guys. I've been filming all day today, but starting a new vlog today. I'm actually on my way to church, but before I left the house, I wanted to show you guys my flowers, like my bouquet. This is actually the one that I showed you guys in my last vlog. I did not know that these were flowers that were still going to open up. You know, when the roses started wilting, I was like, "Aw." And then I came into the office and it was smelling so good, and I realized that these were opening up. Guys, how cool is this? How cool is this bouquet, fam? Love it. And I just have to keep changing the water. I'll change the water again once I'm back. But this makes me so freaking happy. I love flowers. And the way this arrangement just changed up to something else, I love. Okay, so changed my hair. Going out to have dinner with Laefa. This was supposed to be lunch, to tell you guys the truth, but here we are. But I'm really excited because I haven't really eaten, and it's this new restaurant, so. Let's just stay here. Guys, I'm looking at us and realize now we both look here. Look here. I'm hungry, so we'll show you guys what we order.
It's telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer. Yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer.
Hey guys, so I've just finished for today and I am watching a TV show that I'm loving at the moment. I'm actually loving two TV shows, okay? First is WandaVision. So I'm waiting for the new episode that comes out. Should be out by tomorrow. And then right now I'm watching Big Bang Theory. Big Bang Theory is such an old TV show. I think the first episode aired in 2007 or something, like a long time ago. I kind of heard about it when, you know, I think when it first started, but I was just low-key not interested. But right now I'm actually loving it. Guys, it's so funny. If you like sciencey, geeky stuff like I tend to do sometimes, you're going to love the jokes, and Sheldon is crazy. So that's what I have playing on the TV. Going to stop watching this shortly though, so that I can watch Coming to America 2. I heard that it's on Amazon Prime now, and I do have a Prime subscription, guys. I actually never really finished the first Coming to America. Maybe when I was a child. I doubt that I watched that movie when I was a child, because I remember trying to watch it again as an adult, and I know that my mother, that would never have been playing in my household when I was within a 2-mile radius, okay? So I can't even remember why I didn't finish the first one. I think I slept off. I tend to get like that with old movies, especially when there's no excitement, or I don't know. I just never finished watching the first one. The second one though, I'm really excited about, so I'm going to watch it and tell you guys what I think. Before I start though, I want to address something really quickly. So ever since I came back after being sick, I've tried to be very consistent with my uploads. If you've been following me for a while, you know that most of my videos, like I do sit down videos, chit chat videos, I do makeup videos, and then I do vlogs. The vlogs are normally during the weekends. If you don't know, because I feel like I have to start from here. If you don't know, my channel started out as the beauty and lifestyle channel. People started watching me because I did makeup tutorials. I've tried to diversify content over the past couple of years, and more so a lot of makeup people, you know, started doing a lot of lifestyle videos last year, because things really came to some kind of halt with the beauty industry last year. So a lot of creators in my niche tried to diversify, and I also did that as well. Last year I put out more lifestyle videos than I think that I have ever put out in a year. So I understand that some of you like vlogs, and then maybe some of you started watching me last year and started watching vlogs, but if you are actually a follower, you know that I have a pattern to the way that I upload. And then the beauty videos are mostly during the week, or the chit chat videos are mostly during the week. I've had a couple of people over the past couple of weeks come on my channel chatting shit, talking about how they want me to go out. They want me to go out. They want me to go out. That I should stop talking to them from the house or doing videos where I'm sitting down. And I just roll my eyes most of the time and I block these people. It's one thing that you like a particular type of content on my channel, but you cannot expect me to cater to only you. There are people who enjoy the beauty videos and the lifestyle videos, and there are people who enjoy the beauty videos more than they do the vlogs. The beauty people, I am particularly loyal to them because like that's how I started. And I don't see myself ever stopping beauty videos. Guys, I will still be giving you guys beauty videos every week. However, some people have just been very rude, and it just got me thinking and made me remember some of the conversations that I had, and I was like, I have to address this, okay? It's one thing to come and say, oh, you cannot wait for the type of content that you like. It's one thing to come under videos that creators have worked so hard on, because this is the point now where it's not just about me. To come on that there and start telling them that you don't want to see them in their house, that they should go out. We're in a pandemic, excuse my French. There are a lot of younger creators who I know that this is the type of content that they did. Their content was really heavy on the outdoors, and I know that some of them have gotten so much negative comments that even when they now try to do things outside of the box to entertain people, they feel so like unmotivated because of the kind of things that people keep telling them. I also find it incredibly selfish that some people are in their houses wearing a mask, protected indoors, and you want creators, human beings like you, who are not in any way billionaires or have access to foreign healthcare, to go outside and constantly put themselves at risk in order to entertain you in a pandemic. I don't think it's fair. I don't think it's okay. Even Nollywood and Hollywood slowed down last year. Guys, be careful what you say to people. And if you see that somebody has put out content that you don't like, where they've not gone out of their way to say anything bad or target any group of people or do anything hateful, they've just done something that, you know, that them, like, guys, YouTube videos take so much from people. Them even doing it in the first place, guys, they've done it because they are hoping that some people will enjoy it. And then if it's not your cup of tea, just move on. Guys, move on. You don't need to come and start deriding them and start making them feel like crap. Guys, there's so many Nigerian creators, and I know some of them who used to do like badass, like travel, outdoor type videos. Like Vivian Okeze is one of them. Etetim is one of them. Like, these girls put in so much work. There are quite a few of them, but these are the two that easily come to mind because I watch their videos a lot. Guys, support them. There are a lot of creators in this category and this niche that I'm talking about. Creators who pre-COVID used to do a lot of travel content. If you don't like what they are doing right now, if you don't like it, just ignore it till you like it again. There's no need to come and start saying stupid things to them. There's just no need. Guys, that's just it. I'm going to try to watch this Coming to America, and I'm going to let you guys know what I think about it. So I'll tell you guys what I think about Coming to America maybe tomorrow morning or when I'm done now. That's if I finish it this night. Wow. Look at this massive hamper, guys. This was just delivered to me. And this is from Yanga Beauty, I believe. I cannot believe that I have popcorners in here. I cannot believe that I have popcorners in here. I'm actually mind blown right now. I don't think that I've ever received a box that is this thoughtful from a brand. Like, they literally were watching me. There's nothing in this box that I don't like. Like, I don't like, truly, genuinely like. Okay, they sent me a flower, then popcorners, obviously, guys, and they sent me books, okay? Books that I'm sure they knew I would like. Oh my gosh, look at this one, no joke. I was looking at this on Amazon yesterday night. I'm actually not joking. I was looking at this on Amazon yesterday night. Thank you so much, Yanga Beauty. Thank you so much. I'm going to do a video with the actual products because I have about 3 bags of them. But let me just open this one because this will be the easiest one to open and show you guys what I have in here. Like, guys, just take a look. Guys, just look at everything that came out of this. Like, bruh. I'm hoping that you guys can see. It's a bit dark in here. Where should I go? Let's go straight. Okay, so guys, it's a bit dark in here. I'm actually on my way to the beach. I just remember that I told you guys I was going to give you guys an update. I'm with Eziafa, by the way. You guys can see her. You guys will see her when we get to where we're going. You can see her hand. But I just remember that I told you guys that I was going to give you an update on Coming to America too. I did not like it. It was not my cup of tea. I just... What? Exactly. She said exactly. It was just... I don't know, really. I don't want to... Okay. I didn't really like the first one, and I think I already explained that, the reason why I didn't finish it. So I guess maybe if I had finished it, I'll have one reasonable thing to tell you guys, but I didn't like it. I did not like the storyline that I was seeing. I just felt that they spent a lot of money on costume and a lot of things, but the actual storyline to me was a bit weird. That's just my thoughts. Guys, the sun is setting and I'm literally in front of it driving, but I've seen a lot of people who actually like the first one, who watched it, saying that they should have left it alone, they should have left the classic alone. I don't know, it just didn't catch for me. I want to get home and watch the Meghan ex Harry ex Oprah interview. It aired yesterday night, 2 a.m. Nigerian time, and some people stayed awake to watch it. That was not me. Okay, I slept yesterday and I enjoyed my sleep, but then obviously woke up this morning and the timeline was on fire and I was not surprised. So I'm going to try and figure out how I'm going to watch it when I get home. Okay. This place is so beautiful. There's the beach down there, and there's this area where you can sit. I'm doing this with my phone, by the way, if you're wondering why it looks wonky. This is not my powerful camera. So we're sitting here. We just ordered food. I ordered a burrito. She ordered burgers and Chapman. This place is so freaking beautiful. Oh my gosh. Forget that you're in Lagos, man. That's what. Okay. I'm going to take this off at a point. I want the water to touch my leg. I'm going to take my... So I ordered a burrito with fries, and Izzefa, what did you order?
Moist burger, triple mini burgers.
Okay, so Chapman, cheers. Okay, guys, back home right now. I've washed up my face. I'm going to work on this video now and I'm going to go to bed. I realized that I forgot to show you guys my outfit. Guys, I was wearing the white shirt dress that I showed you guys in my Zara haul late last year. If you've not seen that video, go check it out. I'll have it linked in the description box. But I was wearing that shirt dress and a two-piece underneath. I loved it. I loved the look that he actually gave me. You know, earlier when I was talking about like uploads, I told you guys that my vlogs are typically during the weekends, but this week and the coming week is going to be mixed up. I'm still going to be putting out 3 videos a week, but the vlogs will not go up weekends. They'll go up during the week, right? Everything goes back to normal again up a week. And the reason for this is because, guys, I was actually supposed to travel this past weekend. Something came up, we had to cancel the whole trip. So that kind of affected just the position of videos. So a vlog will go up this week, or has gone up this week, obviously, as you guys have seen. Another vlog will go up a weekday next week. But then after that, vlogs should like normalize to be like Sunday things, like Sunday videos, I would say. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. I have opened this durag turban thing. I don't know why I kept touching my head, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and share this video with your friends if you liked it that much. I'll see you guys in my next one.